friends, Mama Fox here. In today's video, I am going to be doing just a fun, casual, get ready with me video because I just ordered some beauty supplies from Juice Beauty and I am anxious to try them out. But first, I have to shamelessly plug my channel. Click like and subscribe. Every week, I post videos on a motherhood and a budget-friendly lifestyle, so if that's your jam, welcome. And without any further ado, I'm going to get right down to it. I recently ordered this Juice Beauty CC cream because I was out of my facial sunscreen. But in the past, I've used this Bare Mineral sunscreen, but now I decided to try this one because I love the Juice Beauty company. They are all organic and they have all ingredients that I can actually pronounce, and I have very sensitive skin, so I love ordering beauty products from Juice Beauty. But now I have used this once before. I kind of noticed it's kind of thicker, so I think it would go on easier with a sponge, but I don't really have a sponge right now, so I'll just keep using my typical brush. And because it's a CC cream, it is a sunscreen, it is a foundation, and it is a moisturizer. And actually it has, it's a 12-in-1 product, actually, is what they're calling it. So it does a lot of things in one tube. Now I'll kind of pat it in because like I said, it's kind of thicker than most creams, but as you can see, it's kind of it's blending in pretty easily. There we go. Just kind of blend that in. I use a little bit more. But probably this week I'll probably go to the Dollar Tree to actually get a makeup sponge. I actually realized the Dollar Tree closer to my house actually is temporarily shut down due to lack of employees, so I'll just go to the one slightly farther from my house. But you may have seen my last video on my favorite things to get at Dollar Tree, and one of them is, like I said, beauty products, because they have a lot of beauty products for just $1.25, such as makeup sponges. Okay, that's kind of blending in. It's a little bit more shiny than some of them, but you know, I kind of like it. It's a good summery glow. And I have a little blemish, I think, on this side. I'll kind of cover this up with this like 100% pure concealer. But I usually use 100% pure for more of a dramatic makeup look, and Juice Beauty for more of a natural makeup look. But I can kind of blend the two together, as you can see. I'll do that. Okay. Oh, and by the way, but this color is considered Beach Glow. That's like the second from the lightest shade, which is usually what I pick when I'm trying to find something to match my skin tone. Like I usually either pick the second from the lightest shade or the third from the lightest shade, and this is the third from the lightest shade because I have fairly light skin. I'm Finnish, British, and a little Canadian, so yes, I'm very white, very light skinned, and yeah, this is a good match for my skin tone. And I also at the same time ordered this flush cheek color, and I've also been using this on my nose too as kind of a bronzer. I really like this color because it's very natural. It kind of gives you a very natural sun-kissed look, but almost like you're not wearing any makeup, but just gives you a little added color. See, I'll put a little bit on my nose, kind of blend that in, and it just looks like I spent a little time out in the sun. I really like this color. But we also have this the Seashell color by Juice Beauty. But you can see this one is more pink, but this one that I just put on is called Flush, and it's more of like a neutral bronzer type color. So I am really digging the shade. And next I'll use my 100% pure mascara in cocoa bean, or a dark chocolate it's called. But I have filmed videos like this before, and like I said, this is my all-time favorite mascara because it actually smells like chocolate. Because guess what? It's made from chocolate. But 100% Pure gets all of their pigments from fruit or food sources such as chocolate or fruit. So that's another company I love using. Just get it all over my eyes. But I'm kind of running short on this, the mascara as well, so I'll probably be making an order from 100% Pure in the near future. So yes, look for that video too in the near future when I make my 100% Pure order. And next I'll be using the 100% Pure lipstick, and this color is Acacia, I think it's called. I'll put that right here. And there we go. It's just a nice, fresh summer look. I am totally digging this new order that I made from Juice Beauty. But I also ordered more of my Juice Beauty facial cleanser. But this is the two-in-one cleanser stem cellular line from their company. And yes, I use this every single night on my face, and I absolutely love it. And of course, every single night I also use their stem cellular overnight cream. I actually got this months and months ago, but there's still a lot left in the container. So as you can see, it lasts a really long time. And I'll be honest, in the next couple of months, yes, I will be 40. But so since I am closing in on 40, I've been taking skincare a lot more seriously, and I have totally been digging this Juice Beauty line in the past couple of years. But I've always liked Juice Beauty cosmetics and skincare, but yeah, but like I said, I'm taking skincare a lot more seriously, and now I use it like every day. And yeah, I have definitely noticed a difference in how my the skin looks and how my skin feels. But as you know, I'm a huge fan of a budget-friendly lifestyle, but cosmetics and skincare are one thing I will happily spend just a little bit more money on if it has quality ingredients. But like if it's organic, like Juice Beauty is. I'm not a fan of buying just name brand cosmetics or name brand skincare just because they sell it over at Macy's. But yeah, I am a huge fan of Juice Beauty because I can actually see why they charge just a little bit more than, say, CVS or Walgreens. And anyway, I guess that's about it for today's video. As you can see, I have a nice, breezy, summery look going, and I am ready to start my day. Well, I guess that's it for this video, but I'll be back. And actually, I just realized I forgot to put on my my eyebrows, but this is also from 100% Pure. I might as well do that right now, just to give my eyebrows a little bit more fullness, and then I will officially be ready to start my day. There we go. Yep, this is 100% Pure brow color in the color Blonde, by the way. And now I'm officially ready to start my day. So I'll be seeing you next time in my next video. Bye for now.